Today I'm at Brockings. It is a 4-bedroom characterful house in the village of Petherwin Gate. It has 4 double bedrooms on the first floor, and then on the ground floor you've got loads and loads of living space. You've got a big sunroom on the back of the property which leads out to this lovely garden, which is enclosed and has lots of little sort of tucked away corners. One of them we're standing in now. And on the ground floor as well, there you have the separate dining room, separate kitchen and a nice lounge. The lounge has got a nice window seat and you've got 2 wood burning stoves either end of the house. So if you'd like to find out more, watch the rest of this video and book a viewing.